Mga teachers, kabalo mo aning sa Korea nga ambot lang tinuod baka ni nga post no sa TikTok man ko ni nakitan. Tanaw ni nato ha kay abi na kog sa Amerika ra ni natabo. Tanaw na to.
Something tragic is going on with teachers here in South Korea. At least 100 have suicided over a 5.5-year period. More than half of those are from primary school. So
Grabe suicide. Teachers sa primary school.
what's going on? OJ Gun is grieving the loss of his daughter, who suicided last year after a barrage of complaints and abuse from parents.
So kani iyang anak ng babae, maestra sa primary school napakamatay.
These days, I have to turn on the TV meaninglessly and have some noise playing because when I'm alone, I start thinking and have to recall those memories again, which is tormenting.
A review from the Education Office found her death was linked to work.
They kept calling my daughter, saying things like, "You'll never be able to teach again," or "Make sure you eat prison food." I'm going to the police station.
South Korea is renowned for putting high school students under immense pressure. You've got to get the good grades to get into a good university to get a good job, right? Well, that immense pressure has trickled down to primary school, and it's not just kids feeling the pressure. Teachers are in the firing line.
예전과는 달리
The diminished social status of teachers combined with parental hypersensitivity
Diminished social status. Mo giingon ha sa ila ha.
around education means parents now express their demands very actively or even aggressively.
This teacher, we'll call Kim Min-jun, was accused of abusing students. One complaint,
Okay, so kani usa nga teacher ni siya sa primary school, gi-accuse siya og child abuse. Tanawa.
was he provided water at a sports carnival, but not
Tungod kinang hatag siya og tubig.
sports drinks. So parents
Tubig yung gihatag, dili sports drink. So, child abuse.
went to the police. Prosecutors eventually gave him the all clear, but the ordeal left him traumatized. He's now at a new school.
아니 그거 아니고 뭐 다른 거.
I thought, no, that can't be it. It must be something else. It doesn't make any sense that they would report that as child abuse. But later, during the police investigation, when they asked me about it, I got angry at the police, saying, what nonsense is this? How is that child abuse?
After mass protests last year, teachers were given a hotline for support. They're no longer automatically removed if there's a complaint against them. Parents can also be fined if they're being a nuisance. Those affected by this crisis are demanding more support from schools to ensure the welfare of teachers, and more pushback against aggressive parents. A lesson for parents to respect teachers may prove much harder.
사실 저도 이제 교사
The shift in student and parent behaviour from just a decade ago is striking. Teachers are really struggling nowadays.
Okay, so, nindot ila no? Nilaban ang gobyerno sa mga teachers. Sa ato sa